Hello guys, this is Eleftheria Barbagianni from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well. Thank you very much for your messages, comments, and thank you for following me on Twitter. In today's video, I have a couple of tips on Pinterest marketing strategy 2022. First of all, as I said to the previous video, don't forget that we do have content creation and organic strategies on how to grow, but however, it's very, very important for you to learn how to do Pinterest campaigns to increase your sales and make more money. For example, if you want to make 2,000 and you have Shopify shop or even digital marketing products, and you don't know how to convert those sales, or you just think it's easy to just go and press a button and you create a campaign, you are actually wrong. So yes, organic traffic is important, but really Pinterest marketing campaigns, they can help you make more money. We always have both of strategies working, and the organic traffic is always very good, and this is what we're working on. However, don't forget that you can get a lot of Google traffic. You can rank on Google if you use Pinterest SEO correctly. I have a 4-day free Pinterest marketing ads course. You can have a look through. It's free. You can sign up. I put the link below, because you really need to learn how to start marketing campaigns on Pinterest with the smallest amount, and then make sure that you are selling the product and converting straight away, rather than wasting time. Now inside this course, I explain to you on how to do the campaigns, but the most important is how to start a campaign with a very small amount, and how to get what you want, how to get more conversions, how to get more sales. Because remember, Pinterest is giving us the opportunity to ask and do, what do you really want? Because if you just want traffic, it's fine, you can get the traffic. If you just want sales and make more money, then it's a different process. So you really need to learn the process of how to get from 1,000K, for instance, to 2K, and then you can hit 10K on sales. But you make sure, you have, of course, your sales funnel, but there is a process inside the course that explains you on how to do a sales funnel, a successful sales funnel, in order to convert more customers and get those sales. You can start by doing campaigns with a very small amount. Inside my course, I explain how, and then you can go, increase your budget. Because remember, you can have different campaigns, Pinterest marketing campaigns, depending on your budget. So you really need to make sure on how much you can spend, and how much sales do you want, and what do you really want from Pinterest. So this is a free course. You can go sign up. There is a lot of updates also here. I explain inside my course. And don't forget, of course, we have the free and the organic traffic. Make sure you have new content, put new content on your profile every day on Pinterest, but also work on where you are, because it's different Pinterest strategy if you have a lot of content, and it's a different Pinterest strategy if you have a few blog posts and you just started, or you have a few products to sell. So you really needed to make sure that you're following the right plan to get what you want. So those are a couple of tips. Go ahead, sign up for the challenge. It's 4 days. And don't forget that it's really important for you to start making some money on Pinterest, for those who have products to sell, and do those conversions. Have a great day. Don't forget to like this video, leave your comments below, connect with me on social media, and have a great day again.